Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to make brownies. And it's easy and simple, so follow along with me. And we start with melted butter. Add caster sugar, best if it's super fine. Alternatively, use the finest sugar that you have. Add vanilla sugar or vanillin. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add cocoa powder. Sift it through the sieve, and it's needed to break all the lumps of cocoa powder. As a result, this will make the whole mix a lot more even. Start mixing. Make sure there are no dry remains. And it should look something like this. Next, we add 3 eggs, one by one. Add the first egg, mix it in. Add the second to mix it in. Add the final egg and mix it in. When you mix egg one by one, this results in silkier texture. Something like this. Next, we add almond powder. Mix it in. Add all-purpose flour and mix it in too. Almond powder can be replaced by the same amount of all-purpose flour. Once all is mixed in, here's the result. And it's ready for baking. I've got baking mold, 20 by 20 centimeters covered with parchment paper. Pour the mix inside the mold. Spread it and even it out with a spatula. Bake in preheated oven 150 C for 20 to 25 minutes. After baking, it looks like this. Cut it with a knife to equal squares. And it's got soft and chewy texture. Rich taste and full chocolate flavor. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe for more recipes.